Hey loves, I'm back with another one. Another Valentine's Day makeup look. I'm starting off with a fresh, clean face, already moisturized. Apply my foundation. Made a mess. And then was like, you know what? Let me just blend it all in as opposed to starting from scratch. So I had to go and get a headband. Listen, that thing was just bothering me. I mean, I love my hair and all, but trying to do makeup with hair all in your face is not it. So I apply my highlight the same way and blend. I mean, that is the key to it all. Yep. So I am still blending, clearly. My gosh. Yeah, girl. That was not working. Contour. Now for this look, I decided to go a lot heavier with my contour because I wanted like that really sexy bronzy look. Like I was just all for the golden vibes and the nose snatch in this one. You know, I don't usually snatch a nose, but this look required a nose snatch. So here I am getting it together, and I am just like, oh my goodness, like, are you guys seeing this? Like, look at this. I was trying to keep the volume for this part, but I couldn't. It was too bad. Like, I'm just all for this bronziness. That's kind of what I said. So I'm just feeling it. And I'm just gonna set it all with just a bit of powder. It's usually like a pressed powder I use to just set my highlighted areas. And then I can't stop staring at myself. My God, it is so good. Brows or necks, I conceal this time, yes, and I'm gonna bake. I mean, baking is absolutely necessary. Did I tell you? It's a red eye makeup look. I mean, you guys probably saw it, of course, duh. But it's definitely a red eye look. I had seen this look a couple years back on Sandra Deluxe and Jackie Aina. So I knew when I started to make videos I had to do it for Valentine's Day. It was just all in my mind, couldn't get it out. And then some mascara, lashes. I decided to go with the ones on the left. Your left, that is. Brush away the bake. And I was supposed to put on the lashes like then and there, but I kind of forgot and got caught up in the skin all over again. So here I am just applying some blush. I decided to go for a bronzier blush. This is the Makeup by Sheila Booming Highlight. I mean, it is so good. So I just used what was in the top, and I just wanted a very little bit. A nice nude lip. Add some gloss, and voila. That is it. A pretty sexy look. Really? I hope you ladies enjoy. Have a wonderful Valentine's Day.